how progressively the working class have been yearning to have an opportunity for the working class also to play a very active role. A week ago, myself and the General Secretary, we came back from the Conference of All American Federation of Labor, that is our counterpart in America, with 14 million members. It will astonish you to note that President Biden came live and direct in Philadelphia. I've posted his speech. He said he was only president because the working class in America supported him. He said he's not ashamed to be called the president of the working class and the trade union in America. In fact, in the State House today, you have a working group on trade unions and trade union issues. He said so openly. Go to our website, the speech fully is there, spoken verbatim by the President of America. Things can be made to work. And things can only work if we have leaders that are willing to connect with the people, hear from the people, know the problem of the people, and then work to address those issues. This is how Nigeria can actually work assiduously to get out of this whole shackle of cycle of challenges. We have worked assiduously to convoke a conference, a political conference of the NLC. I'm happy to tell you that the report is ready. We are not only engaging the political process without an agenda. Already we have the Workers' Charter of the Man, which I'm sure is going to form the manifesto of the Labour Party. All the issues we are discussing, including the recurrent issue of whether there is subsidy or not, is already here. It makes no economic sense that Nigeria, as the major producing oil country in the world, we are importing. And today with the oil crisis, oil price is going higher. Diesel is selling for 850 naira per liter. We have no reason to be impacted with the global energy challenge if we have done the right thing. And NLC have remained very consistent to say that we can refine products, particularly diesel. Diesel is the easiest commodity to refine. Modular refineries can refine diesel. And therefore, we have no reason to be complaining. This month, I learned that NNPC did not remit a kobo into the Federation account, that the entire money had been engulfed by the so-called subsidy. I make the point, and we reiterate, that basically the issue of subsidy is just helping few, because we have no reason to actually be discussing the issue of subsidy 40 years down the line. And NLC have remained very consistent. And it has come to pass now. All the arguments about subsidy have died flat. Nobody is advancing those arguments again. Oh, it's because of smuggling. Oh, the 4 refineries we are told, which can be confirmed, that some of them can actually work to produce diesel. But deliberately they were closed. Because importation, many people benefit from importation. We have no reason to be discussing the issue of transportation of goods and services. In fact, as far back as 2016, you remember on the negotiation table, we discussed the issue of using compressed natural gas to convert all our vehicles to compressed natural gas, especially those trucks that transport goods and services. And government made a commitment, actually to commit 250 billion to be able to do that exercise. It's part of the terms of agreement that was entered to when the issue of subsidy was discussed in 2016. As of today, I'm not sure there is that conversion that have taken place. Right. And so when transporters are complaining that they cannot be able to buy diesel and still transport goods and services at the price we expect, I think the rhetorics need to change. I think nobody have actually disputed that he's among the finest in his generation. Or when you look at the credentials of the governors that have served within his era, you can compare, and he's among the finest. And therefore, he meets the criteria of the working class.